I don't think heating's quite up to temperature. No. I haven't got thermostat set right, have I? Right. Okay, folks, well, we've had a good night here in this car park, haven't we?
Yeah, slept well.
Slept well in here. In the new inn in Hornsey.
Yeah, and I can see the mirror.
I'll tell you what, I'll show you. Now that water over there, wait a minute, there, that water, that's the mere, Hornsey Mere. So I'm quite near to it actually. I didn't realise we were that near to it.
Yeah.
Alright, bright morning this morning. Sun shining. Eh?
Windy.
Windy, yeah. It's been windy all night, I think.
Rained, hasn't it?
And this is the car park where we've been. Spent the night here. Right in the middle of Hornsey.
Yeah.
Yeah. Camper van. So, what's happening today, folks? Well, the first thing is to go and get some gas. And that's, nearest one is over near Driffield.
Right.
And I think we're going to try and stay the night in Driffield. What do you think, Pat?
Yeah, there's a nice little spot if we can get in, if it's not full.
Enough room in cassette?
Yeah, I think so.
We'll see, see how we go. Depends on whether the station we go to has got gas when we get there. It says it's up and running, so we'll see how we get on anyway.
Yeah.
The place where we're planning on going in park, it's a free park up in Driffield. We've been before. So we'll see whether there's any space there when we get there. If not, we'll probably have to go on a site somewhere. Okay, folks, so we'll see you when we get there.
Bye.
Bye. Sorry, folks, I forgot to film. I forgot to film getting out of the van and showing you. It's a bit windy here, I don't know if you can hear me. We're going up to the railway station to see if there's a toilet, because we haven't emptied his pee bottles. Oh, I think we need to cross here, Pat. So I'll show you where we're parked up when we get back. We're here on the station platform. There's a train coming now. See if there's a toilet. No, there's no toilet. Other side. That says it's on the other side. Don't look so to boot, Pat. In case I haven't told you, we're in Driffield.
With the brackets or whatever else, all the rings used to pull. Should have come back and let it. Now there needs to be a stand on.
Express laundry and ironing. I wonder if... Oh. All right. Well, it's not often I've walked round window shopping with 2 pee bottles in me over my shoulder. It's a first. Kurdish barber, Pat. He's competing with Turks.
Alright.
Actually, when I come to think of it, what we've come across, so there's there's 2 motorhome bays in this car park here. Two. It's behind the high street. Right in the middle of Driffield, behind the high street. Well, I found them, folks. I've emptied them. Oh, we're back in the Wetherspoons, folks. We went to a fish and chip restaurant and she asked us if we'd booked. What's the world coming to when you have to book to have fish and chips? So after a mile walk, we finished up in a Wetherspoons. It's the only place that's only pub doing food, I think. And they're all drinking pubs, aren't they? Anyway, we're in that weird time zone between 12 and 2. So restricted menu for us. So we've got what we had last time. We were in Wetherspoons in King's Lynn, don't you remember? Chicken strips with fries. Yeah, and a pint of Doomba. I don't usually drink pints, but it comes with meal deal. So looks a good pint actually.
It does, doesn't it?
Crystal clear, isn't it? I mean, you get 16 quid for the lot. You know, where are you going to get that anyway? Anyway, this is our Driffield, second Driffield visit. This making a habit of coming to Driffield, I think. Pat hasn't seen her goats this time though.
No.
She thinks they'll have grown up. Only last year when we were here, innit? Alright.
It's a bit cold out there as well, isn't it?
We think it's colder in Driffield than it was in Hornsey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice and that.